Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with a new topic, that is comparing quantities from 7th class NCERT. Here is about the introduction of comparing quantities. In our daily life we can see many quantities like height, weight, speed, time, distance, like this. There are so many quantities in our daily life. But here comparing quantities, what is a quantity? These are the quantities in our daily life, but here we are going to compare the quantities. This is the main theme of this comparing quantities chapter. Okay, let's start with the introduction. First of all, we have to know the what is a compare a quantity. For example, A is having height of 4 centimeters, B having 10 centimeters. Okay, we can compare who is the tallest one. He is the one. If you take A has the 40 kgs weight, B has the 10 centimeters height. This is comes under weight and this is comes under height. But you can say by using these weight and height, who is the bigger one? No, we cannot find that with the help of weight and height of separate two persons, because of we have to compare any quantity. Either must be A having weight, similarly B also having weight. Here we are having height of the B and weight of the A. So we cannot compare these two quantities. If you take another example, let's start. This is as example 1. Next take another example 2. You know cheetah, right? Speed of the cheetah, for example, speed of cheetah is 120 kilometer per hour. If you compare this with the speed of the man, it is 20 kilometer per hour. Then you can say, see, cheetah having the highest amount of speed per hour, right? So here speed of the man is less, right? You can compare. If you take cheetah speed same 120 kilometer per hour. Man height 6 feet. Okay, then can you compare these two quantities? This is in speed, this is in height, right? You cannot compare these two quantities. So from these examples we can say one thing, that is, if you want to compare any quantities, we have to check whether two quantities are in the same units. So we can write it as, to compare two quantities, the units must be same. So this is the main important thing of the comparing quantities. If we want to compare two quantities, see in this case these two are in centimeters, so by using centimeters, 10 is the most height, so that's why we are choosing B. Here also cheetah speed is greater than the man speed, so that's why we are choosing cheetah speed as the highest one. Similarly, if you want to compare any quantities, like if you take a distance also, let it be school, and this is the A's house. It's having 25 kilometers. If you take, this is the school and this is B's house, this is 5 kilometers. Then which one is near to the school? B. So we can tell by using the comparing these two quantities. Similarly, to compare two quantities, the units must be same. Okay, this is the just introduction about the how to compare a quantities. If you take ratios, ratio is nothing but, what is the ratio? It means, see, if you take A height is 5 centimeters and B's height is 10 centimeters. This is comparing of heights. Okay. Now, how would we can write it as ratio A by B? It means 5 by 10. Centimeters is common, so there is no need to make a units here. So we can call it as a ratio has no units. It means if you want to compare two different quantities, then it in the form of ratio. We don't want any units to compare. Okay, here A by B is equal to 5 by 10. So how it would be? 1 5s are 5 2s are. So A is to B is equal to 1 is to 2. This is the ratio of the A and B heights. If you take another example like speed of bus, it is equal to 120 kilometer per hour. For example, speed of train is equal to 300 kilometer per hour. Okay, then B is to T. It means bus is to train. We can write it as B by T also. So it is equal to 120 by 300. See, 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 6 are, 2 15s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. So bus is to T, 2 is to 5 ratio. It means here bus can travel, for example, 2 times, but train can travel 5 times. So that is the way to represent ratios. And so this is the about the introduction of the comparing quantities and ratios. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.